Hi vlog, how are you guys? I just got out of work and getting gas now. Look, I'm here waiting for the attendant. Today or tonight we're going out with the besties. We are going bowling, so I'm gonna meet them there. It's like maybe like 5 minutes from the gas station now, so I will record when I get there. I'm so excited. I haven't seen them in so long. We always have so much fun together, so yeah, stay tuned. Just got here, let's go in. Oh, look who's here! Hey vlog! Hey, hey, hey! How to be cute? Scratch your man. What's that?
7.5 for me.
7.5? Since when are you 7.5? I thought you were 8.
7.5, 8.
2 8.5. Why she follow me?
Hey! Got our shoes!
Sneaky ass.
What? Okay, ready? Let's see. Oh my! Miss! God, he's gonna hit it to the street. Yeah, right? That was a test run.
That was good. Okay.
Show us. What does that mean? Hey, he got a good hey. Get it. He happy, y'all. Come on, we got it. Oh my God.
Just almost like 10 years later. I'm late.
Can you hear me? There you go. Guys, we're here with the bestiana. How are you? What's your name? Introduce yourself to the vlog.
First off, this is cool. I think I need one of these. It's Lala, aka your girl. You know who I am already. Just 10 years later, now I'm a teacher, no longer working in the gym. And now we're playing bowling.
Very demure, very cutesy. Our life has changed 360, right?
Yeah. Completely.
Where has time went?
I don't even know. I'm gonna be this year. Let's actually blur that part out. But yeah.
Yo, look who we with, bro. Yo, we with Manny.
What's up, people? Hello. How you doing?
Talk to them. What's your name? Where are you from?
Well, I'm from Mexico, as you all can see, probably tell. You know, Becky and I met in homeroom. Sophomore year. Yeah, probably her kids are gonna be watching this at some point in life. Yeah.
Hey. Hey. We just finished bowling, guys. It was
Lucky
fun.
Strike. It was cutesy. I won second round.
She did not win, yo. The boys are paying. They're paying for our IHOP. We're going to IHOP now, so. Hey! Yeah, tell him. You're such a liar. We're here at IHOP, guys.
You
Hi.
have a YouTube channel, right?
I do.
Making a YouTube channel.
Pero,
Influencer.
but I'm not famous yet.
Yeah.
Yo, why'd you park on the other side? We speeding already here. Well,
I
it's
told you we were gonna
closed.
end up in a Chinese. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright. It literally was.
At McDonald's was
In Miami.
Yeah.
Yeah, Marco was.
McChicken.
We came to McDonald's, guys. IHOP was closed.
Y sigue grabando que.
Why are you laughing? You're gonna be in the comments like, hey!
Never gonna have a famous girl.
What you got? What you got? You got fries? So we were just talking and eating in Manny's car, but they left. So let me catch up to them so they can say bye to the vlog. Yo! Say bye to the vlog! Say bye to the vlog!
Bye.
Adios! Hasta luego! Say bye! Say bye to the vlog!
Deuces, see ya soon.
Hey! She crazy, yo. Bye vlog, good night!
Yes, post that. I wanna see that one.
Hey!